Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate y'all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us for that very first time, welcome as well. It's great to have you. And our topic for you today is what are the benefits of member financing at point of sale? What are the benefits of member financing at point of sale? Now, before we get into our topic here today, just a quick reminder, my focus, my mission here on the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I can, to as many people as I can, across the globe. And the best way I can do that is when you choose to subscribe to the channel. So if you've not yet done so, take a moment, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. And then to learn more about me, learn more about my company and how we can help take your business to that next level, be sure to check out those links below. And then as an additional reminder for you folks that are looking to open a new gym, if you have an existing gym and you need funding for operating capital, for marketing, for payroll, things of that nature, or you're a new startup looking to get started, we can help provide funding for up to $400,000 in funding. It's completely unsecured funding. There's no restrictions on use, and the minimum qualification on it is a 680 or better credit score in all three credit bureaus, and then a minimum income of $50,000 per year each of the two previous years. Check out the links below under financing and funding for different options on how we can help you get funding for your business and help take your business to that next level. So with that said, let's get into our topic here, and it's what are the benefits of member financing at point of sale? And so let me kind of start off on this, on member financing. So like right now, okay, when you sign somebody up, it's typically going to be on monthly dues. And say you've got a 12-month program or a 6-month program or whatever it might be, and they're going to make 1/6 of that payment every month or 1/12 every month. Okay, it's typically what you see most folks do. Under a financing format, you could get potentially your full 6 months paid up front. You could potentially get your entire 12 months paid up front. So the differences in cash flow can be absolutely significant for you. Okay, and just to give you a quick visual, this whole process on something like this will take about 2 to 3 minutes. And simply you have a link on your phone or your laptop, you'll send it to the customer, they'll follow the prompts. Within 2 to 3 minutes, they'll have an approval or not, and they can choose what kind of funding they want. They choose it, they're set up, you'll get your money. It's a pretty simple process. And so you can check out the links below. Check out the links in financing and funding. Look under PT financing, and then I'll take you to a link back on our website to give you more of an explanation on how some of that works. But I want to give you some of the benefits of this, in addition to the cash flow, which we'll talk about. But number one, this is going to boost sales. If you start thinking about, hey, if you had, say, a top-end membership program, okay, that had a lot of bells and whistles, that had a lot of value, but cost a little more, maybe not everybody could afford it, okay? Or maybe you had a 6-month personal training package or even bigger, okay, that again had a lot of additional value. Not everybody could afford it, but with the financing option, they could. And in many ways, it's the same formula, the same idea that people use when they buy a home, when they buy a car, for that matter, when they get a phone these days. Okay, they'll get more value, they'll get more of what they're buying, but they'll finance it out because in most cases they wouldn't be able to afford it. So you'll be able to sell bigger packages from a membership standpoint, bigger packages from a personal training standpoint. You'll boost sales. You'll start getting more sales at a higher level than what you have before. Okay. Number two, as a result of this, your average order size is going to increase. Because when you start looking at improving a business and how do you take a business to the next level, you can get more sales. Okay. Number two, you can get more revenue per customer. And that's in effect what will start to happen here. Because one of the numbers that we know, to be true from a data standpoint is that, 20% of our audience, 20% of our customers will pay more money if we simply ask. So if you have the program, you have to make sure you have the program, and now you find a way that they can now readily afford it, 20% of them will take you up on it. This could be a big difference maker for you. Number three, on the benefits of member financing at point of sale, not only member financing, but personal training financing as well, but improved cash flow. Okay, like we've talked about a couple times, this is the big benefit of this, is improved cash flow. I know I talk to a lot of gyms, okay, that maybe they're losing, $5,000 a month, they're losing $10,000 a month, they might be losing more than that. Well, just by selling some personal training programs that are, say, 6-month programs, say it's $1,000 a month. I mean, just what if you sold 3 of those that your customer took advantage of financing? That's $18,000. Okay, that now you can put in the bank that can make a difference for you. And then number 4, what are the benefits of member financing at point of sale? You attract new customers. You become easier to do business with. And it's one of the secrets of success in any business is you want to be easy to do business with. Modern selling is about fast, quick, easy, friendly. So think about the idea of member financing at point of sale to help you boost sales, increase your average order, improve cash flow, and attract new customers. Check out our links below under funding and financing. On PT financing, I'll take you to a link on our website to help explain more of this to you. This can be a great way to almost immediately, change the fortunes of your business. Be sure to check it out. So folks, again, my name is Jim Thomas. My company is Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here at the channel today. And if you've not yet done so, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. And then to learn more about me, learn more about my company, and how we can help take your business to that next level, be sure to check out those links below. And then as a quick reminder again, for anyone opening up a new facility or you have an existing facility, you need financing, you need funding. We can help with funding for up to $400,000, unsecured, no restrictions on use, minimum credit score of 680 or better in all 3 credit bureaus, and a minimum income of $50,000 per year each of the 2 previous years. So if you need some help on that, check out those links below. Happy to chat with you. Look forward to seeing you all in that next video.